Alright, Del Puckett here. This is the beginnings of the Telecaster I'm going to build. Here are my Alder pieces. I just took an 80-inch board by 2-inch thick, 10 inches wide, and I cut it into 4 equal pieces. And hopefully I can get 2 guitars out of this. This is Alder wood, and wish me luck. Alright, here we are. We got our boards planed. That means the edges are planed off. And I got my pipe clamps here and my wood glue. And I'm going to glue the pieces together and create Telecaster blanks. Alright, here are the plans. I got these off of the internet. I will provide the link in the video description below. What I plan to do is just glue this with self-adhesive spray to the blank and then just cut it out. So that's my plan. Alright, I was able to get 2 Telecaster bodies out of that wood, and we cut them out using the bandsaw. And I also purchased online a Telecaster template so I could route it out. I was happy to know that the template and my schematic diagram are nearly exact. So that's going to help out with the precise routing that is required. So next step, routing. Alright, I'm just about ready to route out these holes, and I realized that I needed to elevate the template off of the guitar plank by about 1/2 inch, and that's so that I can get the bearing on the router bit to ride on the inside of the template. Alright, so the first pass I took 1/8 inch off and then another 1/8 inch off. So I'm down about 1/4 inch deep, and now I'm going to have to lower the template down a little bit more to continue routing. Alright, now that the routing is complete, now I'm going to sand all of the edges nice and smooth. Alright, now we're going to drill the pickup holes. Alright, so the neck pocket is down to a dimension of, routed down to 5/8. I think I'm going to go just a tiny little bit deeper. This very first pickup cavity is 3/4 inch. This little guy here, I think it's 3/4 inch also. This is a little deeper than 3/4 inch. It's actually closer to 7/8. And the control cavity is actually 1.5 inches deep. And then when you drill these guys here, the hole is going to be 1/4 inch, and you need to get a long bit to reach at the right angle through that. And then the same thing there. That little hole right there is 1/4 inch, and the hole between here here is 1/4 inch. So those are the dimensions. And now I'm going to use the 1/4 round bevel bit on the router to take the edge off. So that just goes right along the edge there. Alright, now that I've got the edges beveled, it's time to take off the paper, if I can, and then start sanding this thing. Alright, and now sandpaper.